If you don't have a smart TV or simply want to experience Android TV on your PC, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to run Android TV directly on your Windows PC without needing a smart TV or Android TV box. You will be able to access the Play Store, install and test Android TV apps, and enjoy the full Android TV experience right from your computer. First, open your browser and download Android Studio. Now, run the Android Studio exe file and install it. Click on More Actions and open the Virtual Device Manager. Click Create Virtual Device. Select the TV option and choose Television 1080p. Click the download icon next to the Android TV system image and download it. An additional 900 MB file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it. Once the download is complete, click Finish. Now, change the name to Android TV. Do not add any spaces. Remember this name because we will need it later in the video. Select the latest API from the list. Before installing the downloaded system image, go to Additional Settings and change a few settings. Change the startup option to Cold Boot. This will start the program fresh every time you open it and can help prevent black screen issues. Change the internal storage to 8 or 16 GB. Change the RAM size to 3 or 4 GB. If you have a 16 GB of RAM, set it to 4 GB. Click Finish to complete the setup process. Now, click the play button to run Android TV for the first time. Android TV now successfully installed on your computer. However, the problem is that we can't run it in full screen yet. To run it in full screen, download AutoHotkey and install it. Now, right-click on your computer, click New and click on AutoHotkey script. Enter the TV name as Android TV, just like the name you used during the previous installation process. Then click Create. Now, run the script from the desktop and paste the following script. But before doing that, change the username and the TV name. Copy the text and paste it into the AutoHotkey desktop shortcut script. Save it and close everything. Now, run the newly created AutoHotkey script. This should launch Android TV in full screen. Sign in to your Google account to complete the setup process. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Android TV on your computer. Install your favorite apps and enjoy. That's it. I hope you liked today's video. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.